The Dodo Bird. The Dodo Bird. What animal is this? It has very small wings and it cannot fly. This bird is 1 meter tall and is about 20 kilograms. It can run very fast and it eats fruit and nuts. This bird can also go in the water and eat crabs. This is a dodo bird. Is it beautiful? You will never see a dodo bird. Do you know why? You will never see a dodo bird because they are extinct. Extinct means they are all dead. They are all gone. No more. Okay, next one. Dodos lived on an island. There were no people on this island. There were also no monkeys, pigs, or rats on this island. One day, people found this island. They hunted and ate the dodos. They also brought monkeys, pigs, and rats to the island. These animals ate the dodos' eggs. 100 years after people came to the island, all the dodos were gone. People hunted and ate every dodo bird. Now they are extinct. Do you think people need to protect animals? Which animal do we need to protect? Why? Goodbye, everyone.